I'm Jillian, and today I'm going to share with you my international travel tips. My favorite place that I visited in Ireland was the Cliffs of Moher because they were so beautiful and picturesque, and also the Princess Bride was shot there. I really love the Hardside spinner because it was lightweight and it was also water repellent, which was super important in Ireland because of all the rain. So I made sure to pack all my light things kind of on the bottom, and then in my packing cubes I put the thicker things. I made sure to bring a ditty bag, which of course is good for everything. I always like to bring shower shoes to hotels, and so in order to not get the rest of my stuff wet, I put them inside the ditty bag to keep them safe. So what I really love about the iconic curling iron cover is that it keeps everything in my bag totally safe. I also took the Lighten Up hanging travel organizer with me and kept all of my makeup and all of my essentials that I needed. I love the Hardside spinner because it has these two overlays. As far as my carry-on bag, I brought the iconic Weekender travel bag, and this was my dedicated shoe bag, but then I also had important essentials like my Fleece Travel Blanket, so this was really important for staying cozy on the plane. So for my personal item, I carried the Lighten Up Grand Backpack. So the most important thing to have in my backpack at all times was my Mallory RFID passport cover. I also kept my medium cosmetic in my backpack as well, and I used this actually for tech accessories. I put my GoPro, I put all of my international chargers. One of my travel hacks was packing a crossbody within my personal items, something that was lightweight and I could keep all of my essentials nearby. The iconic pill case, not only did it keep all my vitamins to keep me healthy from all the travel, but I also used the extra compartment for earrings like my pearls. Lighten Up is great just because it is durable, it is lightweight, and this is a water repellent fabrication. My top travel tip is to plan your outfits ahead of time to make sure you're not overpacking, because you're going to want that space on the way back for souvenirs. Definitely yoga pants for comfort. Trashy magazines. When I'm in another country, I give myself permission to overeat a little bit. Definitely try the local fare because you can only do it once. Well, I guess you could do it more times while you're there. I think it would be the ditty bag because that bag can literally do anything. And those are my tips for traveling anywhere.